The Sony FE 200-600 aperture 5.6-6.3 G OSS is a super zoom lens for the company's full-frame mirrorless cameras. This stabilized lens, like 300-900 on APS-C bodies, features 24 elements, including aspherical and ED glass, also as a Nano AR coating to scale back ghosting and flare. Zoom and focus are internal, and therefore the lens uses an immediate Drive SSM linear AF motor to drive the focusing elements. The lens features a manual focus ring with linear control, 3 customizable focus hold buttons, and the 3 IS modes. The minimum focus distance of the lens is 2.4 meter, and therefore the maximum magnification is 0.2x.